Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Troy Ahmad Rayhan. My NPM is 201460005. Student, let's continue our discussion. In the previous discussion, we have learned about the meaning of integers. An integer is a number that consists of a numerator and a denominator, which is also known as a denominator. In addition, we have also learned about the various positive integers, negative integers, and zero integers. Therefore, this time we will study arithmetic operation in integers. Now, please pay attention to me. Of whole number and their negative. Included in the whole number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that the negative of the whole number is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. In this case, negative 0 result a 0, then it is not included again sparingly. In general, this number consists of three kinds, namely: number 1, a positive integer. Positive integer are numbers starting from the number 1 so on. Example are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. If it continues, the value will be even greater. Number 2, negative integer. A negative integer is a number starting from the negative number 1 and so on. Example are negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and so on. If it continues, the value will get smaller. Number 3, zero integer. The integer 0 is a number that consists of only 0. The properties of addition to integers. The cumulative exchange property of addition for any integers a and b. Then a addition b result b addition a. No identity on addition. For any integer, a always holds. A addition 0 result 0 addition a result a. C. Associative properties, grouping in addition. For any integers a, b, and c, a addition b addition c result a addition b addition c. D. The nature of addition. For any integers a and b, if a addition b result c, then c is also an integer. Number 2, reduction operation. Let a and b be integers. A reduction b result c, which means b plus c result a. The condition is that a reduction b result c if and only if a result b addition c. Integer subtraction properties. For any integers a and b, then a subtraction b result a plus negative b. That is, subtracting b from is the same as adding the opposites of b to e. B. The subtraction operation does not apply commutative and associative properties. A subration B is not equal to B negative C. A subration B subration C is not the same as A subration B subration C. Zero subration property 0. A 0 result A. 0 subration A result negative A. 0 subration 0 result 0. D. If A and B are integers, then A subration B result A plus negative B. B. Count operation. There are four main types of operation that apply to integers, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 1. Addition count operation. Positive integer addition positive integer, the result is a positive integer. A negative integer addition a negative integer is a negative integer. A negative integer subtraction addition a positive number is the result. A positive integer if the positive integer is the greater than the negative integer. A negative integer if the positive integer is the greater than the positive integer. Multiplication operation. An integer operation is that product of two integers. Addition or subtraction is a negative integer and the product of an integer is a positive integer. Integer multiplication properties. A. Commutative exchange properties of times. A. Multiplication B result B multiplication A. B. Associative properties grouping on multiplication. A multiplication B multiplication C result A multiplication B multiplication C. C. Distributive property spread and multiplication. The distributive property of a multiplication over addition for any integers A, B, and C, then A multiplication B addition C result A multiplication B addition A multiplication C. The distributive property of multiplication over subtraction for any integers A, B, and C, then A multiplication B subtraction C result A multiplication B subtraction A multiplication C. 3. Dividing by 0 for an integer A, then A dividing 0 wouldn't find 0 dividing A result 0. The division operation does not apply commutative and associative property. A division B is not equal to B division A. Number 4. Sharing operation. Integer operation are defined as follow. If A and B are integers with B 0, then A divided by B is written A division B, which is an integer x which is B division multiplication result A. Integer division properties. Number 1. Operation division is the opposite of multiplication. Number 2, the result of dividing two integers is seen from the sign of the number. A, the quotient of two positive integers is a positive integer. B, the quotient of a positive integer by a negative integer, or vice versa is a negative integer. Student, do you understand what I mean? Because you have understood what I mean, now try to study it and write it down in the notebook to collect at the next meeting. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. That's all for today lesson. See you again tomorrow lesson.